What's going on, YouTube? Just want to do a quick walk around my 2004 Pontiac V6 Supercharged Grand Prix GTP. Just put the 20-inch rims on there, painted the calipers, put the Grand Prix decal there, just put the mufflers on, got a straight pipe running. Just did that today. Pontiac decal there. Tinted out tail lights, tinted all the way around. Just put a black paint on there. Decal on this side. Put the running stripes on the side. Supercharged front windshield. That front Pontiac emblem on there, painted those grills and the under bumper. More to come. What y'all think? Like, share, subscribe. Let me know. Let's share some ideas. Again, they got the sunroof on there too. Pretty clean. Let me know what y'all think.